Hola amigos, hola amigas, Doreen here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, croeso, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chesh, yakshimash, and g'day. So we are on our way to Swansea via Ilkeston. Now we're going to Ilkeston to pick up a vacuum that I got a couple of weeks ago, but I've had to wait until today because it was on our way on our journey down to Swansea, so we are gonna go and pick it up. The boot is packed. There's Zach, he's looking out the back window very anxious, and as you can see, the cases are packed, everything's ready, plenty of room for the doggies in the boot, and we are off on our way to Ilkeston. So I will get Hubby Lux, hello, to do some scenery shots for you guys, so you can see some of the view of the route we go in, and once I've picked it up I will do the next part of the video. So for you, I'll see you in a second. Okay, so there we go, we are in Ilkeston. I have just picked up the machine. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I can see part of it over there in the far corner with Gilligan, opposite Gilligan. So yes, we picked it up. Fantastic red D whatever it is, Sebo D series, fully functional. Just had a new bag. There were some spare bags as well that he gave me. Really nice guy. We were there chatting for ages about because he sells Lego and Star Wars toys and everything, and I had this amazing Millennium Falcon. It was incredible. Anyway, so we're now on our route to Swansea, and then I will do a quick update video for you on the Sebo. It'll probably be tomorrow by the time we get there and unpacked and everything, but I'll finish off the video tomorrow. So I shall leave you with some more scenery. Okay, so we are here in Swansea, and I am here with Maisie, who's assisting me. Maisie, come here. Are you going to help me? Are you going to help me? Are you going to come and see? What's this? What's this? She's not going to like it. She's not going to like vacuums, I tell you. Anyway, so here we go, so we can take a closer look at this Sebo. Now, this is the first time I've seen one of these in the flesh, and it is a mahuma of a vacuum. It is quite big, I have to say. So this is the Sebo 1200 watt Airbelt D2 Storm Eco Sebo, made in Germany. If we look at the back of it here, you can see it's got all its tools. So hidden in there we've got the crevice tool, we've got an upholstery tool, and we've got a dusting brush. These are a bit worn, but that's expected. The cord on this is incredible. It is so long. It's like 12 meters apparently. So let's pull it out. And it just keeps coming more and more. And then to put the cord back in, then you've got this button here that pushes it in. So I'm going to plug it in. There we go. Here on the top then you have the on and off and the plus or minus power button. So if you push the button on, that's on its lowest setting. And you increase that's for its maximum setting, and then once you block the hose, then the indicator there comes on and off. So it's just a one button control. And at its lowest setting, it is really quiet. So this is the Sebo Airbelt D2. and the serial number is B35201412. So I'm wondering if that is 2014 possibly for this one. December 2014, I'm not exactly sure how to date it. Made in Germany. 4 big caster wheels. This bad boy underneath here is the filter. So you twist and pull it out. And now you can see the filter. So it does need cleaning or replacing, this filter, as it could do with it. But I think it's mainly carbon dust that's in it. But there is a little bit of dust on the inside which will need cleaning out. So I will get a new filter for it at some point. If I can just remember. There we go. And twist it and it's in. Parking bracket here on the back. No parking brackets on the side. There is a parking bracket at the top. And I don't think this is one that turns it on and off. Just to try it. No. There are some that when you park this in, it turns the machine off, but this doesn't have that. So then we twist it around, and here we have the filter, which does need replacing. It does have some dust on it, and here is the big Sebo bag, big container. There is dust on the inside that does need cleaning. So you just hook the bag on like so, and then close it down like so. This is the hose on it. It is a tapered hose, so it starts off from bigger to smaller, which is to help with the suction. So you clip it on. There we go. And that is a 360 degree swivel. So that's really good. Here you've got the hose that have the wand, and you just open it like so and close it. And it came with this head, which is the Sebo combi head, which we will just click fit in. And then you've got underneath here, that drops it down for hard floors, that lifts it up then for carpets, just for the brush, like so. Switch it on, turn it up. Now, I am not really a fan of the straight suction heads on vacuums, to be honest. I prefer the one with the turbo brush or the electric brush. This has the anti-static part on the handle, so when you hold this, it comes down to here and connects onto this, so to remove any static from vacuuming. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to push the vacuum, or push you guys back a bit, and I'll just do a quick back and forth with the vacuum to see how it operates on the carpet. With Maisie's help. So unfortunately, poor Maisie, she does not like the vacuum at all. What's she like with your one?
Alright. Show us the little handheld one.
So yes, she doesn't like this at all. Maisie does not like the head going back. Maisie, come and see. Maisie, come here. Quick, come and have a look. No, she's too scared. So anyway, there we go. That is literally just a quick pickup video and a quick demo of the Sebo Airbelt D2 Storm Eco. Once we get this home, we will get it refurbed. I'll do another video and we'll do a proper demo, and I'll see if I can get a turbo brush with this, because I'm not that wrapped on straight suction heads on it. I prefer the ones with the turbo brush. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!